Hey everyone, welcome to the AMX Superstore's Product Insight. I'm Riana, and I'm joined by one of our product specialists from AMX, Tim Dawson. Tim, brand new product, brand new technology that you bring to us today. Tell me about the Dynavolt battery.
Yeah, well, there's a lot of excitement and talk about sustainable resources, particularly when it comes to batteries, and we're stoked to be able to sell a sodium-ion battery here at AMX now.
So sodium batteries, which is salt, essentially. How does it work?
Well, periodic table, the salt and lithium are very similar, so they've got a lot of similar qualities. But essentially, it means that it's non-flammable, which is an excellent thing when you're riding a bike. You go too hard, or you puncture it. You definitely don't want to have that catch fire. But alternatively, it also has a fast and high level of discharge and usage, as well as the fact that it's really low weight.
So what is the benefit of a sodium-ion battery?
Well, when you compare it to its equivalent in a lead acid or a gel, it's the weight. So you can feel that. It's quite light. It's about 30 to 50% lighter than what it usually would be for the lead acid, but with double the lifespan.
And what about if we compare it to a lithium battery?
They're very similar actually. So in terms of size, weight, they're about the same. It's just the sodium won't have as much punch initially in the cold cranking amps as a lithium would. But when you look at the price difference, that's your trade-off.
And are sodium ions safer than other batteries?
Absolutely. They're non-flammable, which is a big thing when it comes to batteries. It's kind of known that when you use a lithium battery, you can kind of work them too hard, or if they get punctured in an accident, they will catch fire.
So how are these batteries best used?
They're perfect for the 50 to 1000cc bike, particularly around the city. They may not have that initial punch or the cranking amps that a lithium will have, but when you're looking for performance, a sustainable option in terms of the battery, and at the price, you can't go wrong.
Thank you very much, Tim. If you'd like any more information on the Dynavolt sodium batteries, head to your nearest AMX Superstore. Of course, all the information will be there for you on the website.